Yeah, that looks really nice.
It just looks flush from
Yeah.
the cheek to the under eye area. It's not like an obvious dip.
Thank you.
You're very welcome.
It's never as sore as you think it's going to be.
Hey guys, my name is Dr. Haroon. I am a cosmetic doctor who specialises in non-surgical aesthetic treatments. Today, we will be carrying out a tear trough treatment and also a chin enhancement. Firstly, let's talk about the tear trough treatment. The tear trough is a hollow or a depression between the lower eyelid and the mid-cheek. This hollow creates a line which extends from the corner of the eye down to the cheek area. Some common complaints that clients will come in with are tired looking eyes or dark circles under the eye. Pre-treatment assessment is very important for this particular treatment. If you have a bulge under the eye rather than a hollow, this is not the right treatment and it may even make the bulge worse. If there is no hollow, then filler is unlikely to help. Also, if there is poor skin quality in the area, it's less likely that the filler will integrate with the tissue smoothly. If you have dark circles which are caused by the hollow, then the treatment is likely to improve the dark circles. However, if it is due to skin pigmentation, this treatment is unlikely to help. For someone who has an under eye hollow and good skin quality, this can be a life-changing treatment. The treatment involves placing small amounts of a specific dermal filler in the area to minimize the appearance of the hollow. To carry out this treatment, we use a cannula, which is a thin, hollow metal tube that is blunt. This minimizes the chances of bruising and adds an extra layer of safety to the treatment. Now let's talk about chin filler. This is an amazing treatment for the right candidate. And if it is done well, it can completely transform the face. There are three main reasons that people have this treatment. If you have a flat or square chin from the front, dermal filler can be used to lengthen the chin and give it a more V-shaped appearance. This creates a more feminine looking chin. From the side profile, if you have an overbite or a weak chin, fillers can be placed strategically in this area to push the chin forward. And this creates a more balanced profile from the side. Lastly, chin filler can be used to conceal or minimize the appearance of the jowls. Doing the right treatment on the right person is key for great results. Let's get started, guys. Hi Katie, how you doing?
Good, thanks.
Good. So it's been a while since we saw you. Last year we did your cheeks, didn't we?
Yeah.
How's the result been so far?
I really love the result. It's looked really natural, but it's made quite a big difference to the overall look.
Yeah, absolutely. You probably remember on the day I was a little bit swollen, a little bit puffy, but at the 2-week mark, all of that goes down. And they still look great even today.
Yeah, it's been nearly a year and they're still, you can really see them.
Yeah. So we normally say 9 to 12 months, but I tend to under-promise and then hopefully over-deliver. So hopefully the final result does last a little bit longer, but it just comes down to your own metabolism.
Okay.
Today, we'll be doing a different type of treatment. So we'll be doing the under eye and a chin enhancement. So a few things to mention just with both of these treatments. So with the chin, there's two things that we can do. We can push it out in this direction to balance it up with the nose, and we can also make it longer from the front. Katie, what's the desired outcome for the chin?
For it to balance out my profile.
Okay, so the main goal for you, I think, is to push it out in this direction, because you've already got a really nice V-shaped chin from the front already. So I think just pushing out in this direction a little bit, just so it balances up with the nose, will be quite a nice treatment. And what's the desired outcome for your under eye area?
Well, ever since having my daughter, I feel like I've got a real tired look under my eyes and I just want to freshen it up and make it look less tired.
Fantastic. So the under eye area is a common complaint that we get. So some people complain of tired eyes. This line starts to develop that goes from the corner of the eye all the way to the mid cheek. And sometimes it's genetic, sometimes it's due to aging as well. But a lot of the time when we do grow up, it starts to present and become a little bit deeper, giving us this tired look. And a lot of the time we have more energy than we did when we were younger, but we look more tired. So what we're trying to do is just make the under eye area look a little bit fresher and a little bit more rejuvenated. We've already had a really detailed conversation about the risks, the benefits, and what you can expect. Have you got any particular questions?
Just wondering how long the results will last.
So with the under eye region, again, similar time frame to the cheek. So typically 9 to 12 months, and similar with the chin as well. So usually, if you're lucky, you can get the results that last up to about a year, but it all comes down to your own metabolism. So next steps from here, Katie, if you're happy to go ahead, what we'll do, we'll clean the area, we'll put a bit of numbing cream on, and then we'll give that a little bit of time to settle, and then we can get into the treatment.
Perfect.
Does that sound good?
Yeah.
Cool, fantastic. So that was it, guys. That was the treatment. The treatment involved under eye filler, also known as tear trough filler, and it also involved chin enhancement. As you can see, the results are pretty good on the day, but over the next 2 weeks, the filler will absorb water and become more impactful. The final result can usually be seen at around 2 weeks, and for these particular treatments, they last for around 9 to 12 months. On the day of the treatment, there might be a little bit of swelling and a little bit of bruising, and it takes a full 2 weeks for all of this to go down, and the final result will be at 2 weeks' time. If you guys want to know anything more about these particular treatments or any other treatments that I might be able to help you with, please get in contact with us. Thanks a lot, guys. Bye now.